Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how we can search our laptop for files that are large in size. And sometimes you need to delete some videos that maybe you don't need anymore to free up some memory on your computer. I'm going to open up a Finder window, Option Command Space, and in this window, instead of searching for a word, I'm going to go over here and click on the plus sign. This will pop down these two options here. I can search by the kind of file. You can see the different options, date created. And then there's file size is not in here. So I'm going to go and into the other options and search for file, actually search for size. And you can see file size is an option. Before I double and say OK, I'm actually going to click on this. And what that will do is it will put it into that drop-down menu now. So say OK. And now file size is one of the options in this drop-down menu. I want to do this option here. I don't want equals to, I want is greater than. And let's go with, say, 500. And then instead of kilobytes, we of course want megabytes. So I'm going to look for any file that is larger than 500 megabytes that's on my computer. And you can see here I have it's sorted by applications. I probably don't want to remove any of those, but then there's a bunch of movies and presentations and other things in my Xcode. I could probably get rid of those. And then there's a bunch of movies in here. You can see I've got some files in my iMovie library that are over 1 gigabyte in size. So I'm not going to delete any of them, but this way I can search by file size. And it's in by clicking on the plus sign. Now another option here is that I can click on Save, and I can save this search of file size. So I'm going to save it as searching by file size. And I'm going to keep it into my saved searches and also add it to my sidebar. I click Save. Now it pops up over here. So now in the future, I can just click on this and it will search by file size according to the parameters that I put in there. So it's kind of like a smart search in a way that I've added to my left-hand panel. You can also, of course, search by other properties like the date it's created or the type of file that it is, and of course by name as well. I hope this provides you with a little easier way to perhaps find files of certain sizes. Thanks for listening and have a great day.